guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. We have today a pair of sneakers that I have been waiting for a couple of days. I think it's maybe about almost 2 weeks, I would say. And it's a pair of shoes that I've been wanting for a long time. I've had this pair in my wish list on StockX, and I believe the price came down to be perfect, and I just went ahead and pulled the trigger about 2 weeks ago or so. And I'm excited to go ahead and have this pair because I actually do own the same shoe model from DHgate, so hopefully in the future I can make a video comparing the quality and materials and all that good stuff from DHgate to StockX and see what the biggest differences are. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are on a road to 5K subscribers, and just as a friendly reminder to every single one of you watching, we still have the 5K YouTube giveaway, which I'm doing it for this beautiful sneaker right here, the Jordan 2 Yin collaboration. So make sure if you are interested to enter this giveaway, you go ahead and check out my Instagram. The link is going to be in the description, and there's a couple steps that you guys have to follow. Once you go to my Instagram, you will see, but pretty much it's the basics. You know, you have to follow me on my Instagram, follow my YouTube channel, and go ahead and comment on the Instagram reel that was made for this shoe right here, since when you follow my channel and why you would like to win the shoe. This one right here is a size 7 in men's, 8.5 women, I believe. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and win this shoe, go ahead and enter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this box right here. So I went ahead and opened it because, you know, I couldn't wait, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the above angle for you guys, and hopefully the details are great. So the box came, well, the package came through UPS. Yeah, UPS. And I have to say that the packaging is not that great. The tape came cut on one of the sides of the box, and I actually freaked out just a tiny bit because I felt, or I thought for 1 second, that I wasn't going to find my shoe inside the box. You know, you guys have heard how FedEx and all other shipping companies have sometimes stolen sneakers off of packages. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shoe out. And we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So we have this super nice New Balance, it's kind of like a charcoal gray box, and then I went ahead and purchased a colorway that I feel can match with a lot of my clothes. This one right here is my first retail New Balance 2002R version. So I wanted to make sure that my first pair gets a lot of wear, and then little by little I will be adding more colorways. Now here you have the size tag. If you want to go ahead and pause, you know, do your homework, let me know how it looks. But this right here came directly from StockX, so I don't have any questions to make, to be honest. Now right here we got the receipt from StockX, which I can go ahead and show you. So as you can see, I went ahead and paid $129 for this pair. After tax and shipping and all that good jazz, I came to pay $164 shipped to my door. In my opinion, $164 for this pair was a steal, because the 2002R and the 990 are two pairs from New Balance that I feel like they keep going up in price. So I want to go ahead and buy a few before they reach that price point, like the 550s, where it's just ridiculous in my opinion. But anyways, so paper, we got New Balance, you can kind of see it right there, and then we got the beautiful, it's like this light gray color that I just think it's so magnificent, so beautiful. So getting out the other pair. I wanted to quickly film this video because I'm about to leave the house to go to the market and you know, do some grocery shopping. And I wanted to wear these to the market because I don't know, I just want to try them out, see how comfortable they are. So I just want to give you a quick shot on this angle right here. I don't know, let me know down below if you are a fan of this type of sneaker. I know it has a lot of like deconstructed areas, but that's kind of what catches my eye, how, you know, it uses different materials. And I'm just gonna give you a quick 360. Super beautiful shoe. So now the reason why I went ahead and purchased this model, number one, is one of the New Balance models that I actually appreciate, that I actually love. I'm a fan of, you know, this style. I don't know, it's kind of like a running shoe, but then again, you can really style it like streetwear type. So, and then the mesh materials, I'm hoping that that's gonna help so that you don't feel like your feet are burning. So yep, just showing you really quickly the bottom, which I've heard that this type of like design on the bottom of the shoe, it actually helps a lot to adhere to the pavement, to the concrete. And the other thing, I am sure this will somehow help me so that I don't fall down, you know, like slip around or something. Super nice details. We have like this weird logo right there in the center of the sneaker, which basically says stability web. So again, very nice details. New Balance right there, and you can see all like the teeth. Very nice. And then let me show you really quickly the back, which right here we have some very soft suede all around this panel right here. I wonder if this thing is 3M. My apologies, that I don't know in this exact moment. And then here we have the other few details right there. So yeah, we have the New Balance 2002 in this beautiful gray colorway. I don't remember the name of the, I think it was something marble something. Can't completely remember, but it's totally fine. Let me know down below what you think of it, and I appreciate if you watch all the way to the end. I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Yeah, peace out.